Hi everyone. Very good morning all of you. It's Shiva, Lakshmi, Pranit, Vivek, what is his name? Satvik, Shasti, Nivedita, right? Other name I could not see. Anant. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Everyone, how are you? Everyone, how are you? Yes, I am good. I am good as usual. How are you all, guys? Fine. Right. Okay, Kalyan, good morning. So all of you had your tea, coffee, hot water, juice, everything you had or nothing? Good. Right. Fine. Very good. Breakfast, tea, coffee, hot water, everything is over or not over all of you? So here we'll be continuing our discussion on this gate and ESE PYQs of this leveling, and which PYQs gets over, right? Gate PYQs gets over, that ESE PYQs will be continuing, right? Yes, now I am fine, right? Yeah, संडे नहीं हुआ था, राइट? यस संडे नहीं हुआ, सो आगे वाला संडे हो जाएगा. ओके, डोंट वरी विवेक, आगे वाला संडे हो जाएगा, राइट? सेम मॉर्निंग और आफ्टरनून टाइम आई विल कीप इट. ओके, ऐश्वर्या, गुड मॉर्निंग. Right, Indra, good morning. So this leveling part 5, surveying gate and ESC PYQs, you can say, right? Nitish, good morning. So all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everybody is ready to crack? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you? Everyone be ready to crack, all of you, right? Everyone get ready to crack, be ready to crack, all ready. Okay, you have to be ready to crack always, right? And this is my profile. All of you are following my profile, right? If not following, you just scan this QR code, you will be redirected to my profile. Okay, right? You'll be redirected to my profile, right? What is the referral code you have to use whenever you are going for this any subscription or something? RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? And you know, these are all the subjects I'll be taking. Coming to this, these are all the toppers from Unacademy, right? Congratulations to all these toppers, right? Within top 10, right? Next time you try to make your name appear in this, right? Next time you try to make your name appear in this, right? Ravi Pandit, good morning. Right. So here at present this Independence Day offer is going on. What is it? You will be getting 10% price drop plus 20% off plus extra months you will be getting, right? So what is it you can say? What is the referral code you have to use, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, right? This is a fee structure, you can say. Whenever it is 18 plus 3 months now, this is the fee. Sorry, this is the amount you will pay. 12 months, there is no change, right? This is the amount you will pay. 9 plus 2 months, this is the fee. So 6 plus 1 month, this is the fee for plus subscription, right? For Iconic also, so these are the amounts you will be paying, you can say, right? So inform to all your friends, juniors and everybody to subscribe to this Plus and Iconic courses, and ask them to use which code? RP Civil code. Okay, so this Independence Day offer is valid up to which one? Up to August 12th only. Okay, so Tekeshwar, good morning. Right, so this is the new batch, right? These are the new batches started, right? So here accelerate batch, it will be starting on which one? This is August 11th, all of it, right? August 11th, this new batch will be starting. So engineering mathematics by Uma Maheshwar sir will be starting at 11 AM. Okay, so don't miss this, all of you, right? So and strategy and orientation will be given by Jaspal sir at 4 PM, you can see. Okay, right? So for 2025 also that same thing will be starting. So when you are taking Iconic subscription along with the plus benefits, you will be getting which one? Along with the plus benefits, right? You will be getting these additional books also, right? These books in a printed format to your doorstep. Okay, right? So those who are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, you can go with which one? This is a no cost EMI option, everyone. You can go with this no cost EMI option, right? So there is a scholarship test happening on which one? This is August 13th at 12 PM. So don't miss this, right? Engineering, mathematics and general aptitude will be there. 20 questions and 30 marks, 45 minutes time will be given. So don't miss this, all of you. So these are the plus courses going on and these are the free courses going on now, right? So shall we start solving the questions, everyone? Are you all ready? Everyone is ready? This is chapter 7 leveling we are doing with, right? This chapter 7 leveling we are doing with, if you just observe, right? Is now here Everyone ready? Right, I'll be starting the poll. Yeah, select the answer. YouTube also write the question number and write the answer. This is 40th question, right? Question number 40 in this PYQs, you can say. Okay. Shruti, Shiva, Anant answered correctly. %60 only answered correctly. YouTube, 4 people are there, but nobody is answering. Right, among them one is me. Yeah, Sai Teja also answered correctly. Yeah. Which of the following traits will be applicable at a change point, right? For a change point, right? Whenever it is a change point, so whenever it is a change point, if you just observe, what is that we are taking with the first instrument station, you will be taking which one? This foresight, so with the first instrument station, and what is that last reading from the first instrument station we are taking? Foresight, right? So then with the new instrument station, right, what is that we will be taking? Right, we will be taking this back sight as an last reading of this first instrument, and first reading of this second instrument we are taking, right? Isn't it? You are good morning. So which one? Back sight and foresight both will be taken, back sight and foresight both will be taken or not? Yes, absolutely right. Shall we move to the next question of you? So I'll be moving on to this next question, right? That is your 41 question. Try to select the answer of you. Shiva answered correctly. Shiva, Vivek, Kalyan answered correctly. Right. It's over. So what is that? Consider the following statements. Reciprocal leveling is a method of leveling adopted when, right? When we have to go for this reciprocal leveling? Yes, Sai Teja, what you can do is you just press on the screen, right? There it is visible now. Press on the screen, and you'll be finding that settings symbol at the top, right? That settings symbol at the top. Then you click on the quality, right? So there quality you click, and you go for which one? This higher picture quality, or you can just go for this advanced, and there you can select which one? This 360 pixel or more than 360 or 480 pixel or 720 you select. Then it will be visible clearly. Okay. Otherwise just 144 pixel it will not be visible clearly. Okay, you have to change the settings. Okay, click on the screen, top right corner, that one settings symbol will be highlighted. In that quality, then advanced, then you select at least 360 or 480 you select. It will be visible clearly. You just check it and tell me now. Yeah, I have done for my YouTube. It is clear. Okay, the difference of levels between the 2 points at a considerable distance apart is to be determined with great precision, right? Is it so? Whenever you wanted to go for this great precision, the distance will be higher, and you wanted to go with the great precision, right? Then you can adapt this one, or you cannot adapt this one. Yes, you can adapt this one now. Yes or no? Because whenever you are having this more distance, right, what it will do, that a curvature error will come, and this refraction error will come, all these things, and inclined line of sight also will come now. So now all these errors will be eliminated because of this now. If you are doing this reciprocal leveling, it is not possible to set up the level midway between the 2 points, as in the case of a deep valley or a river, right? So whenever there is a deep valley is there, right, a river is there, right? So in this case also we can do it now. Yes, absolutely. Error due to improper centering of this level is to be eliminated, right? So this reciprocal leveling will eliminate the error due to improper centering, or error due to curvature, refraction only it will eliminate. The reciprocal leveling will eliminate the error due to that curvature and refraction only. It cannot eliminate the error due to that which one? Improper centering. So can it eliminate? You are not placing it properly, means this error cannot be eliminated from this, right? Which one is correct? 1 and 2 are only correct now. Everyone. Shall I move to the next question, all of you? 42nd question. I'll be moving on to this 42nd question, all of you. Right, I'll be yes, Sai Teja, correct, right? So shall I start the poll? I'll be starting the poll. Try to select the answer of you. 105 seconds time I am giving, or 120 seconds time I am giving. See, if you solve PYQs now, there is no need of any other questions also, right? People will ask for, sir, practice questions. Sir, Baba, first complete PYQs. Then you think of practice questions, okay? GATE and ESE PYQs, if you practice now, majority questions will be repeated, majority models will be repeated, and so you can get 90% of the marks you can get if you just observe. Remaining 10% if you wanted to get new model type of questions and other, then you go with the test series and practice questions, okay? Shiva Anant Shruti answered correctly. Gaurav, good morning. 75% only answered correctly. Only these three. What about the remaining? "35 seconds more time." Sai Tej also answered correctly from YouTube. Yeah, 80% answered. Vivek also answered correctly. Right. Okay. So what is that you can say? A lighthouse is visible just above the horizon at a certain station at sea level. Distance between the station and this lighthouse is which one? This is 60 kilometers, right? So the height of this lighthouse is, right? What is the height of this lighthouse, right? How can you get this height of this lighthouse if you just observe, everyone? So this is your earth, na? This is your earth, you can say. And what is that you can say, right? This is your station, right? So you are asked to identify which one is the height of this lighthouse, na? So you are observing from some this point P, you can say station P, and this is your lighthouse if you just about. This is your lighthouse, right? And you are asked to identify this height of this lighthouse, right? That height will be nothing but you are seen, isn't it? Vivek, another Vivek, good morning. So how can you calculate this, right? This is the distance between them or not? Distance between them in kilometers, that is h, right? Do you remember that h will be equal to that c will be equal to how much? 0.06735 d square. Everyone, you remember that? So what is that h you are getting? 0.06735 into what is the d given? What is the d given? 60 kilometers is given, na? That is 60 kilometers given, right? Into that is 60 square if you just observe, right? So what is that h or this c value? Height of this lighthouse or this total correction? Both are same, na? What is the c value you can say? Or h value, height of the lighthouse, everyone? How many meters you are getting? Just calculate and tell me, everyone. .46 meters, right? Now, so which one is a nearby answer? This is a nearby answer, na? So is this exact answer or it is a nearby answer? You can say, right? It is that nearby answer only present or not, everyone, right? So now, shall I move to the next, all of you? Question number 43. Select the answer. This just now, this point we have discussed now. Vivek, Kalyan, Shiva, Shruti answered correctly. Just now we have discussed this point, has not? You should not be answering this wrongly. Ananta also answered correctly. Sai Teja also answered correctly. Right, no one else. What is that answer? Naresh Jadhav, good morning. Error due to inclination of this line of collimation in the leveling across a river can be eliminated by, right, reversion, reciprocal ranging, reciprocal leveling, right? Reciprocal leveling na, keeping the level in the middle. Is it possible to keep your level in the middle of this river? It's impossible na, so reciprocal leveling is the only option you are having, right? You have to be careful. So now this question number 44, right? Shall we go for this question number 44? Right, select the answer of you. What are the options? Do you remember? Option A is what? Assertion is true, reason is true, and what is it you can say? Reason is the correct explanation of this assertion. Option B is what? Assertion is true, reason is true, but reason is not the correct explanation of this assertion, right? So option C is what? Assertion is true, but reason is false, right? Option D is what? Assertion is false and this reason is true, right? Like that. Is it clear? Shiva Vivek Shruti answered correctly. Pushpendra, good morning. Are you just coming and going, all of you? ये क्या है, वो इधर क्या चल रहा है वो देखने के लिए आया. Shiva Vivek Shruti Kalyan answered correctly. 66% only answered. And what about the remaining? Right. So what is that? You can say, all of you, assertion reciprocal leveling is adapted to decide the precise difference level of 2 points considerable distance apart. Na? Yes, absolutely. Na? That is correct. Why we are preferring this reciprocal leveling only? This is the reason. Reciprocal leveling eliminates the errors due to curvature, refraction, line of collimation not being exactly parallel. Right? This is also correct. Na? Because of this reason only that reciprocal leveling is adapted, or not everyone. So assertion is true, reason is true, and because it eliminates these errors, because of this reason only we are going for this reciprocal leveling. Is not? So clear? So we should move to the next 45 question. Shall we? So I'll be moving on to this, right? 105 seconds time we are giving. Solve this, everyone. It's a chota bacha question, is na? Shiva Vivek answered correctly. Sai Teja also answered from YouTube. No. I think it is previous question. So that's why from YouTube, those are attending YouTube class, we just write the question number and answer so that I will not be confusing. That option is for which question you are giving. Shruti Anant also answered correctly. Too much rain. Arey yaar. Saitija answered. Be careful, right? Don't go outside because whenever it is a rain condition, outside situation will be very difficult. You don't know what is happening nowadays. There also heavy rain. An object on the top of a hill 100 meters high is just visible above the horizon from a station at the sea level. The distance between the station and the object is, right? How can you calculate the distance between the station and this object? Simply that a distance d will be equal to which one? This is 3.853 under root h na. So what is it given? 3.853. What is that height given? Already 100 meters it is given na. So then what is the d? How many that d you will be getting in kilometers na? How much? Root 100 is 10, so that is your 38.53 na, 38.53 kilometers it will come, right? Okay, 38.83 kilometers it will come, you can say, right? 3.855, 3.853, anything you can say, no problem. Okay, 3.855 root h. Okay, you can take it as which one? This 3.855 root 100. So what it will become? 38.55, right? What is the nearby value? What is the nearby value? You can say that option A is only the nearby value, no? Option A only will be the nearby value, right? So shall we move to the next? So this is your 46th question, right? Select the answer of you. 135, 120 seconds is sufficient enough. 120 seconds time I am giving. Kalyan Shiva only answered correctly. Fifty seconds more time. Let's see. Good afternoon. Anant also answered correctly. Good morning. Yeah, sorry. Good morning. Not good afternoon. Right. Sai Teja answered correctly. Vivek also answered correctly. Shruti also answered correctly. Same time, 10 to 10:45, 10 a.m. to 10:45 daily. Most Sunday will not be there. Sometimes Saturday also will not happen, right? Monday to Friday compulsorily, but Saturday, Sunday it is optional. It is depending upon me, okay? But Sunday pakka not there, okay? Saturday optional. Daily 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. This PYQs of GATE and ESE will go on, and 8:30 a.m. to which one? This is the 9:30 a.m. that SSCJ PYQs will go on, okay? Reduce the level of this floor at a building is 74.4 meters, right? So this is your floor you are having, right? What is it? Reduce the level of this floor 74.4 meter reduce the level. This is your floor, okay? This is your floor. Now the staff reading on the floor is 1.625, right? So whenever you are taking a staff reading on the floor, what is that you can say? So it is 1.625 now. So that is 1.625, right? That is staff reading on the floor, right? And the staff reading when it is held inverted with the bottom touching the ceiling of a hall is 2.870, right? So this is a hall, right? So what is it you can say? What is it you can say, right? That is your bottom touching the ceiling of a hall, na? That is your ceiling or this roof, na? That is your ceiling, you can say, right? Whenever you are keeping your staff like this, and what is that reading you are getting here? What is that reading you are getting here? That is 2.870, right? This is your 2.870. So now tell me, what is the question asked? Then the height of this ceiling above the floor, right? You are asked to identify this height of this ceiling above the floor, right? This h only you are asked to identify, na? How can you get this h? Reduce level is not required, na? So above the floor, how much height that ceiling is present, right? So what is that you can say? 1.625 plus what is that? 2.870, right? How much it comes to be, everyone, there now? How much it comes to be, everyone? 4.495 na? 4.495 meters, right? Reduce level calculation is not required, na? Reduce level calculation is not required, right? Which option is correct? 4.495 means that option C will be the correct answer, na? Option C will be the correct answer, right? Like that. Shall we move to the next question of you? 47th question. this is your 47th question, right? So 47th question, right? I will be starting the timer. 135 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. %100% wrong answer. Very good. All become cute fellows. Don't become this much cute, yaar. Yes, Sai Teja answered correctly, absolutely. Correct answer I have given, na? Okay, let us check. Don't worry, we'll check it. We'll check it. No need to worry. We'll check it. No need to worry which one is correct. Okay, we'll check it. We'll check it. Don't worry. Okay, okay. Don't worry. Don't worry, yaar. We'll check it. Yeah, I think you are only correct. Yeah, correct, correct. When you observe the readings now, you are only correct, right? I have given wrong. Yes, you are only correct, all of you. Right. Repoll. Repoll करना है क्या? Right, Scarlett. Good morning. You want repoll? Why? Why? 15 seconds repoll. So सब answer select करेंगे. Okay. 15 seconds I'll give. 100% सही हो जाएगा. Right. Do it then. Yes, yes. अरे भाई 83% only correct answer. I have given hint, but no, nobody is answering correctly. Messi, Vivek, Anant, right? This is the leaderboard. Okay, one gone. Yeah, Neelam. Good morning. Shiva first, Shruti second, Vivek third. So following observations were taken during the reciprocal leveling. Right? The reducer level of this P is 140.845. And the reducer level of this Q is right. I told you right. As it is, we just go with this, right? So what is that delta H you are getting? The delta H is nothing but your HA minus HB na. Instead of this HA minus this HB, right? HP minus this HQ we have to write it na. Plus what is that you can say? That is H dash P minus this H dash Q divided by this 2 na. So what is that HP HQ? Whenever these are measured by keeping the instrument nearby P na. Yeah, star 3 stars joined. Yes, Saitija also answered correctly. Yeah, this one, what is that? 1.824. 1.824 minus 0.928 na. 1.824 minus 0.928 plus how much you can say? Plus what is that? 2.74, right? 2.74, right? Minus which one? Minus 1.606, right? Minus 1.606. Divided by how much you are having, right? Divided by this 2 you can say, right? So tell me what is the delta H plus you are getting or minus you are getting, right? That is important. So reduce the level of this next point Q, that if you are getting plus means reduce the level of Q equal to reduce the level of this P plus we have to add. If you are getting minus, simply minus, yes na? So you go as it is, right? That would be better na. If you try to analyze this, which one is higher, which one is lesser, it will take a lot of time. Your 30-40 seconds will be wasted. Simply, if you are getting positive here, add positive, negative, negative simply, okay? RL of P plus this delta H simply, right? What is that you are having, everyone? RL of P is given as 140.815 na. So 140 point, how much you can say, that is your 815, right? 140.815 plus 1.019, right? Finally, how much it comes to be? That is reduce the level of this Q comes to be which one? 141.834 meters. Answer comes to be na. Yes. ऐसा नहीं करना है यार, right? I told you ना. Just remember, first HB minus HQ plus or HA minus HB plus HA dash minus HB dash divided by 2. So first A minus B or P minus Q. Simply you make it like this: P minus Q, P reading minus Q reading, right? So reading at P minus reading at Q, right? First readings are which one? Okay. Like that you make it now. Plus if you are getting, you just add plus. Minus if you are getting, minus you add here, right? That's it. Okay, simply. So what is it you can say? This is option D na. This is option D, right? Now, shall I move to the next question of you, everyone? Shall I? 45 seconds time I am giving. Try to select the answer. So it's question number 48. Shiva Anant answered correctly. Sai Tej also answered correctly from YouTube. Vasundhara, good morning. Right, so this is the leaderboard. Shiva first, Shruti second, and Vivek third, right? In case of this leveling, back site is which one? A fixed point of no elevation. Back site is the fixed point of no elevation, or the last staff reading taken before shifting the instrument, or the first staff reading taken after setting up the instrument. It is the first staff reading taken after setting the instrument, and as an options will be the correct answer, right? Shall I move on to this next question? That is 49 question, right? I'll be moving on to this, right? Try to select the answer of your 105 seconds time I am giving. अरे यार इतना जल्दी आंसर किया था, बट रॉन्ग आंसर. शिवा आंसर करेक्टली. Punya, good morning. Shiva, Vivek answered correctly. Saitij also answered correctly. 66% only answered, right? What about the remaining? Forgot the formula? अरे यार. %57 only answered, right? This is the leaderboard. Shiva first, Vivek second, Shruti third, right? So in an instrument, the bubble with a division of 1 millimeter and a radius of 0.9 meters has a sensitivity of, right? What is it you can say? So what is it you can say? That sensitivity of this bubble tube, if you just wanted to go for, what is the sensitivity of this bubble tube? Alpha na. Alpha is nothing but your D by R na, aisa na. Can we say? That is D by R into which one? This is 206265 you are having na. 206265 you are having, right? 206265. The options are there in which one? This is radians na. Nothing is given. So you have to go for, this is in seconds. This is in seconds, right? And if you wanted to get it in radians, that d by r only directly you got to go for this in radians na. So that 2026, right, seconds to so radians to seconds, if you wanted to get, you have to multiply with 2066. But here directly asked in the radians means you have to go for this na. What is the d? You can say that is your 1 millimeter na. So 1 millimeter divided by what is the r, you can say that is your 0.9 meters na. 0.9 into units must be same na. So millimeter, meter to millimeter, 10 power 3 10 power 3 na. So how much it comes to be? That is your 1 in 900 radians na. 1 in 900 radians will be having, or not everyone? 1 in 900 radians, right? Which option is correct one? Option D will be the correct option or not? Yes, option D will be the correct option, you can say, right? So clear everyone? Why you are going for this? Because you will not be getting it, right? If you are substituting that 206265 formula directly now, you will be getting that value in seconds. But here in the question, nothing is mentioned in the units, right? It need not be seconds. So nothing is mentioned means it will be in the radians definitely, na? Yes or no? Right. So shall I move on to the next question of you? So 50 questions, right? Half century we are doing in this leveling. In the leveling itself, half century, right? Completed, right? 50 questions we are doing. You have to be careful, okay? So that much important this topic is, okay? Even in linear measurement also we did not do 50 questions, it seems. Yes, na? So all these are of you. If anybody wants more time, you just ask me to increase the time before the time gets over. Saugat, good morning. Time you want? Okay. Still 120 seconds more time. Sai Teja answered correctly. Yes, yes, option is correct only. Option is correct only. Yes, yes. Kalyana answered. Twenty seconds more time. This is ESE 2013 question. So now you observe PYQs are covering variety of questions and repeated questions and same question in different manners, na? Because this many years PYQs are this many years examinations are conducted means automatically these PYQs will help a lot, right? So you have to complete the PYQs at least 3-4 times for all subjects. Then automatically you can get best rank. Shiva first, Vivek second, and Shruti third. The following observations were taken during the testing of a dumpy level. Instrumented this one. Okay, the collimation error in the instrument was right. So collimation error means that first what we need to do, we have to find out this delta H now. First you find out this delta H. Tell me what is the delta H. You can say delta H is HA minus PQ are given now. Okay, HP minus this HQ plus what is it, you can say plus this HP dash minus this HQ dash divided by this 2, right? What is the level difference between these 2 points you are getting? That is level difference between these 2 points is nothing but your radius level of, okay, how much you are getting? You are getting it as positive or negative? Tell me. 1.475. So 1.475 minus how much? HQ is what? 2.205, right? 2.205. Shubham Rahul, good morning. 2.205 plus how much, you can say 1.440 minus 2.060, right? 1.440 minus 2.060, right? 060 divided by this 2, right? How much you will be getting? Tell me. How much you will be getting this value? That is minus 0.675 meters now. So minus 0.675 meters, right? What does it tell me? So what does it tell me now? That is RL of this B will be RL of this Q now. RL of this Q point will be equal to which one? RL of this RL of this P minus this 0.675 now minus this 0.615, right? Yeah, Abhinav, good morning. So what it implies, you can say it implies this RL of this Q minus this RL of this P will be equal to, what is it, you can say, or RL of P is higher or Q is higher? Now tell me. P is at higher elevation or Q is at higher elevation? Now tell me. You send this Q this side, RL of Q left right side, 0.615 left side, right? RL of this Q minus this RL of this P, or sorry, it is reverse now. RL of P minus Q. RL of P minus this RL of Q will be equal to that 0.675 meters, right? Yes, now this is correct or not? RL of P minus this RL of Q. Is not clear? Now if you wanted to find out the error in that line of error in this collimation, right? Error in this, right? What is that, you can say? If you just so if you just wanted to get it, right? What is that, you can say? RL of this is a true value now. This is a true value or not? This is a true value, right? Then what is that measured value of this, you can say? That measured value of which one? This RL of this which one? RL of this P minus RL of this Q. If you wanted to make it, what we need to get it? RL of this P minus this RL of Q is nothing but, what is it, you can say? That is nothing but your reading taken at Q minus reading taken at P. Na? Is that no? Can you write it like this? Staff reading taken at Q minus this is staff reading taken at P. Can you say, can we make it like this, all of you? Suraj, good morning. Can you make it like this? Staff reading taken at Q minus this is staff reading taken at P, right? Can you make it like this, all of you? Radius level of P minus Q means that readings will become reverse, na? So now what is this value? Staff reading taken at Q is how much? Staff reading taken at Q is what? You can say staff reading taken at Q is what? 2.205, na, first one. So that is 2.205 minus staff reading taken at P is what? Staff reading taken at P is what? 1.475, right? So what is it, you can say 1.475. So how much it comes to be, tell me? How much it comes to be, this value, this measured value? 1.475, right? What is it value? 2.205 minus this 1.475, right? 0. Which one? This is 73, no? 0. This is 73, you can write 0.73 if you just write 0.73, right? So whenever it is this is 0.73, right? What is that, you can say? 0.73, right? Therefore, what is that error, you can say? Error is what? Measured value minus this true value, na? So this is your measured value or not, everyone, right? This is your measured value, na? This is your measured value, right? So error will be measured value minus this true value, na? So what is that measured value? You can say 0.73 minus what is that true value? 0.675, right? Now tell me, you are getting positive or negative? Tell me, you are getting positive or negative? Nidhi, good morning. You are getting positive now, plus 0.055. So is it clear, everyone, that positive error or negative error? All of you. Is it clear? Positive error or this negative error? Clear, all of you? Right. So which option is correct one? So plus 0.055, right? Like that. Is it clear, everyone? right? So these questions, 50 questions got completed. So tomorrow we'll be doing remaining questions, right? Shall I close the session? Shall I close the session? Right. Yeah, RL of P at higher elevation, because RL of Q, how you are getting, it is equal to RL of P plus or minus this one we have to get it now, plus or minus this one we have to get it now, plus or minus this one, right? Here you are getting minus, means you substitute minus only here. So means which one is higher now, tell me. RL of Q, how you are getting? RL of P minus something. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this minus something? If you deduct some value or subtract some value from reduced level of P, you will get RL of Q. Means P is at higher elevation and Q is at lesser elevation. Is that no? Is that clear, Shruti now? Clear? Like that. So reduced level of P minus something will give reduced level of Q. Means this RL of Q value is lesser than the reduced level of P only. Now, by how much lesser? 0.675 meter lesser. Right? Shall I close the session? So these remaining questions will be solving in tomorrow's class, right? Remaining questions will solve in tomorrow's class. Okay? Thank you. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you everyone.